Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers Team. We're out here at the beginning of day 2 in Lawson, Missouri. Right now we're still in the process of getting our 3 King Pier II holes excavated. We have a lot of concrete we're running into that we're going to get shipped out of here. A lot of this was done by the previous attempt to have this footing raised back up. You can see kind of the shoddy workmanship on the crack repair that was done, which, as you can see by the crack still being there and still visible, it didn't really do a whole lot. This right here, they only fixed what was above ground level and didn't bother to seal the rest of the crack. So if you know from all of our videos where we do epoxy injection, we will excavate, not always down to the footing, but just as far down as the actual crack goes, to fully expose that so we can seal it up properly. We do that on all of our jobs where we're doing our exterior foundation seal, where we will seal the cracks, then do the tar. It just makes it a lot better repair when it's all said and done. So judging by the way that the footing currently is, where you can see the gap looking outside from inside the garage, I'm not really surprised, but we're gonna fix that all up using the King Pier methodology. As you know from our videos, it works, and it's not invasive. So all we're in the process right now, just getting the excavation done to where we can install our King Piers. So I'd say probably by mid next week we'll be able to get everything raised and finished up. So stay tuned for more updates. We have these 2 already started. We'll start the 3rd King Pier hole right here on the corner. You can see how messed up the concrete is right there. We'll get that all fixed up before we're out of here. So again, stay tuned for updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, please give us a like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.